Hi, my name is Bryan Jacob, and I'm from Comp 2112C. Today I'm gonna show you how to uninstall and install hardware. First is you have to click the computer icon. If you don't have the computer icon here, you can click the start button. Then look for computer, right click, wait for it to respond, click the manage, then now computer management will appear. You have to click on device manager. After clicking the device manager, all of the hardware installed in your computer will appear. If a device has a question mark after the name that displays, it means that the hardware is not yet installed or the Windows cannot find the driver of that. Sometimes you can download it on the manufacturer's main website to have that kind of hardware. Now I'm gonna show you. This is uninstalling hardware. You just click, just pick one. Okay, I'm gonna pick keyboard, but it's not uninstalled, so I'm gonna pick the sound and video game controllers, but it's not, so I'm gonna pick again. I'm gonna choose you. No, I'm gonna choose. Okay, I'm gonna look for what I can uninstall. Okay, I can uninstall the network adapter. Just have to click uninstall. So this will appear. This will always appear. Confirmation about to uninstall device from your system. You just have to OK it. Click OK. Uninstalling device. There you have it. Sometimes when you uninstall a hardware, the confirmation will turn to restart your Windows. And that's how you uninstall hardware. Now we will go through reinstalling or installing hardware. And now I will tell you how to install the hardware. First is when you connect a device to your computer, Windows automatically tries to install it for you and will notify you if a driver for the device can't be found. There are several things you can try if this happens. Make sure your computer is connected to the internet and automatic updated is turned on. Your computer must be connected to the internet for Windows to be able to search online for a device driver. To see if your computer is connected to the internet, open your web browser and try accessing a website. If you're temporarily disconnected, such as when you're traveling with a laptop, wait until you're online again, and then try reinstalling your device. Windows can check for the latest drivers unless automatic updating is turned on. Most people turn on automatic updating the first time they use Windows. But if you're not sure you did, you should check to make sure it's turned on. Be sure to select the option to include recommended updates, or Windows will install important updates only. Important updates provide significant benefits such as improved security and reliability, but recommended updates might include drivers for some of your device. If you can manually check to install the hardware, it is more convenient because it's more easy to manually install the hardware. Even if you don't have an internet, you can install any hardware. If you didn't have automatic updating turned on, or you weren't connected to the internet, this is when you can install it manually. When you connect when you connected a new device to your computer, you should check to see if Windows can now find a driver for your device. Even if your computer is always connected to the internet, you should still check Windows Update for optional updates. If some of your hardware isn't working properly, optional updates often contain new driver updates. Windows Update does not install optional updates automatically, but it will notify you when it finds some and let you choose whether to install them. Now, for you to know or for you to check the Windows Update for drivers. If Windows Update can find a driver for your device, try checking the manufacturer's website for a driver or other software for the device. If your device came with a software disk, that disk might contain some software needed to make your device work properly. But first, check the manufacturer website for the latest software and drivers. If you don't find any software or drivers for your device on the manufacturer's website, try inserting the disk that came with the device and then follow the instruction for the installing software. There are some drivers that come with software that install the driver for you. It's often called a self-installing package, but you might have to install some drivers manually as well. Now, I have done later is that I uninstall my network adapter, so I don't have my internet now, and I will try to reinstall it and show it to you as my demo and how to install or reinstall hardware. As what I have done, I have uninstalled my internet connection. I'll check if if I don't, so you can see. It shows that I'm unable to connect to the proxy server because I don't have my internet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to install or reinstall the hardware that I've uninstalled. First thing to do is to click computer, or if you don't have the computer icon here, you just have to click the start. You have to locate the computer and right click the manage, and just have to wait, and then the computer management will appear. That's what I've done, uninstalling it. Also, I have also used this technique to uninstall, and I will use it again for installing. Click device manager, and there, the network adapter. In the network adapter, I have uninstalled my internet connection. So what I'm gonna do is to reinstall it. I have, yes, there's no internet. I have connected I have plugged the LAN cable on my CPU, but it doesn't appear, so I'll have to manually install it or install. You just have to click the network adapter or right click, and you have to scan for hardware change, then you have to click, then that will appear. That is the process on how to install. It is just that simple. You just have to click that and automatically it will reinstall. But on some hardware, you have to download it from the net, or maybe you have to buy the hardware disk or the main hardware from the manufacturers. Okay, now I will try if I have my internet connection. And there you have it. I have my internet back because I have reinstalled my plan. That's how you simply uninstall and install hardware. Again, my name is Bryan Jacob. That's all for the day. Thank you.